everyone, I am here in my guest bathroom and Tyler has already painted. However, there are some holes that I forgot to patch before he started painting, so I will probably do that towards the end. There is the vanity light that I want to go ahead and paint. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then decorate the bathroom. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Stephanie and I do a lot of cleaning and motherhood and lifestyle type of videos. If that is something that you like, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. That way you get notified every time that I upload a video. So let's get started decorating this bathroom.
So to start off this bathroom makeover, I decided to tackle the light fixture because this one is very similar to the one in my master bath, but this is an older version, so it's not as dark as the one in my master bathroom that I recently got. So this one was already existing with the home, so I decided that instead of leaving it this brown bronze color, I was going to just wipe it down so that I can get all the dust. I probably should do a better job of dusting these light fixtures, but here I'm just dusting them off, and then I'm going to use some Waverly black ink chalk paint and painting this light fixture that color. Next, I'm going to install these wooden shelves that I got for $5 at Five and Below. And they're the perfect size. They're not too big or too small. They're right size for this guest bathroom because before I had some wooden shelves that were too wide and stuck out too much, and it made the space look even smaller. So these are really perfect, and then it's really easy to install as well. Now there's a lot of holes on this wall because this is where I had my other wooden shelf that I just took down to put these on, and when Tyler went to go paint the bathroom, I forgot to fill in the holes before he painted, so I will do that at the end. Next, I am putting in the new shower curtain rod to replace the one that's on here currently. This one was left behind from the previous owners and it is in really bad shape, so I just thought since I was going to be making over this bathroom, might as well have everything kind of be fresh and new to us. So this one I got it from Target. And at first I thought it was a black color, but once I took off the plastic film, it's actually more like a dark brown, but I liked it anyways, and I was honestly too lazy to go return it, so I'm using that one. Now I'm just attaching all the shower curtain hooks that I got from Target, and these are in the color black, and I like the style, which was kind of like industrial modern farmish type, and I just thought it gave the bathroom just a new modern farmhouse feel. On the wall opposite to the toilet, I decided to add some wall art. I got these picture frames from Hobby Lobby at half off, and this particular one is in the master bathroom as well. I grabbed the eucalyptus wall art and the lavender plant wall art to add onto the wall, and then right below it I got this towel rack from Hobby Lobby, also at half off. And since technically this bathroom will be used more for Ezra to take his bath and brush his teeth in, I decided to go with this more playful towels book that actually says towels, and it just seems more appropriate since he will be using this bathroom. Then there comes the fun part to decorate these shelves that I got that are above the toilet, and I grabbed a couple pieces here and there, some that were already in my house and then some that I grabbed from the Target dollar spot. These amber glass bottles are from the Target dollar spot and they were $3 each. And then this picture frame I got at Hobby Lobby at half off when they had their wall decor at half off. I did forget to mention that I did purchase a new mirror to replace the mirror that was in here. The one that was currently in this bathroom was already outdated and it was a lot larger than the counter. So the one that I got was from Hobby Lobby. Original price was $69.99, but I got it for half off. And here we have somewhat of a view of the new mirror. As I was styling, I realized I had some of these glass containers from the Dollar Tree. All I did was paint the tops, which are originally a tin color, and I just used some of the matte chocolate paint from Walmart that I used to paint the light fixture. And wire basket with a towel hanger at Hobby Lobby for half off, and at the moment I do not have any decor to add in there, so I just added a little plant that I had around the house and a towel because I did not find a towel that I like to go in here, so in the meantime this will do. So here is the before shot. This bathroom was a mess and did not have a cohesive style, and pretty much the wall paint was coming off because it was flat paint that was already in the bathroom when we moved in. The towel rod had fallen and the wooden shelves that I had added were just not working out. The vanity mirror was super outdated, and everything in here just was not following style. And that is it for this video. I hope you got some fun decorating ideas for your bathroom makeover. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit my picture so you can become part of the Consider It All Joy family. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.